The aspect of parents leaving their children to caregivers and whatnot, I think this initiative of mothers and sons finding time to bond together will help bridge that gap. They're able to build a bond, they're able to communicate. The boys are going to be free to tell their mothers anything that they feel is hindering them. And I think this also comes in handy at a time when we are fighting depression and things of that nature that is especially affecting the boy child.
The idea of bringing these parents together first is to encourage that bonding, to encourage that character development, to encourage emotional growth of the learners, and also to motivate them that besides them being students, they still have a family to get to even once they get home.
I believe the boy child has always been ignored, but mom now son is always a nice thing.
Let's give the young people responsibilities earlier, the young men particularly.
I think we should advocate that both of these children, both of these genders are taken care of, and both of these genders are guided